day everyone. Today's concept for learning gives you an idea more about public transport services. Understanding how to ask for directions or specific details in public spaces like bus stations or train platforms is a practical skill. This dialogue between a traveler and a bus driver provides a practical context to learn Malayalam conversation skills. So the upcoming dialogue revolves around asking for and giving information regarding platform numbers, bus schedules and nearby facilities. It helps learners like you all to familiarize themselves with conversational Malayalam, focusing on question formation, ordinal numbers, polite interactions and the borrowing nature of Malayalam. So most of the words in this conversation that we are going to see now are familiar to you all. But let us see certain new words also. So we will go to vocabulary first. The first is number, same as number. Platform, that is also platform. Yatrakaran means traveler. Bus driver, just same as bus driver. Yetra means how much or how many. Kada, it means shop. Money means time. Then comes Edirvasham, that means opposite side. Valaduvasham means right side. Idaduvasham, that is left side. Then comes a number called Nalu, means 4. Anju means 5. Muppathiyanju, that is 35. 83, it means 83. 93, that means 93. Ezhara, it means 7:30. Ezhe that means 7:45. Now we will see the whole conversation. Then we will discuss about sentence by sentence. Okay. So this lesson titled as ഇത് എത്ര നമ്പർ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ആണ്. Which platform number is this? So let's see the dialogues. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, ഇത് എത്ര നമ്പർ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ആണ്? That means which platform number is this? Bus driver, ഇത് രണ്ടാം നമ്പർ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ആണ്. That means this is platform number 2. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, ഇത് 5ാം നമ്പർ ബസ് അല്ലേ? ആരാണ് 5ാം നമ്പർ ബസ് ഡ്രൈവർ? It means is this bus number 5? Who is the driver of bus number 5? Bus driver, അത് രവിയാണ്. That means that is രവി. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, പാലക്കാട്ടുകാരൻ രവിയാണോ? Is it Ravi from Palakkad? Bus driver, അതെ, അദ്ദേഹം പാലക്കാട്ടുകാരനാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ അനിയനും ഡ്രൈവറാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം 35ാം നമ്പർ ബസ്സിലെ ഡ്രൈവറാണ്. That means yes, he is from Palakkad. His younger brother is also a driver. He is the driver of bus number 35. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, 2ാം നമ്പർ ബസ് എത്ര മണിക്കാണ്? That is, what time is the second bus? Bus driver, 2ാം നമ്പർ ബസ് 7:30 മണിക്കാണ്. The second bus is at 7:30. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, അടുത്ത ബസ് എത്ര മണിക്കാണ്? What time is the next bus? Bus driver, അടുത്ത ബസ് 7:45. That means the next bus is at 7:45. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, ഈ ബസിൻ്റെ നമ്പർ എത്രയാണ്? What is the number of this bus? Bus driver, ഈ ബസിൻ്റെ നമ്പർ 4 ആണ്. The number of this bus is 4. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, ഇവിടെ കടകളൊക്കെ എവിടെയാണ്? Where are the shops here? Bus driver, അതാ എതിർവശത്തെല്ലാം കടകളാണ്. അതിൽ 83 മുതൽ 94 വരെ ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് കോർപ്പറേഷൻ കടകളാണ്. അവ പലതരം കടകളാണ്. 83ാമത്തെ കട ഒരു മൊബൈൽ ഷോപ്പാണ്. മൊബൈൽ ഷോപ്പിൻ്റെ വലതുവശത്ത് ഹോട്ടലാണ്. ഇടതുവശത്താണ് മെഡിക്കൽ ഷോപ്പ്. That means there on the opposite side are all the shops. Out of those, numbers 83 to 94 are transport corporation shops. They are of various, I will repeat. They are of various types. The 83rd shop is a mobile shop. To the right of the mobile shop is a hotel. On the left side is a medical shop. യാത്രക്കാരൻ, അതാണ് എൻ്റെ ബസ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ദർ ഈസ് മൈ ബസ്. ബസ് ഡ്രൈവർ, അപ്പോൾ ശരി, പിന്നെ കാണാം. That is all right then. See you later. So now we will see the breakdown of the key language elements and their usage in the dialogue. Let us see the first sentence. ഇത് എത്രാം നമ്പർ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ആണ്? Translate to which platform number is this? This question is structured to gather information about the location, that means the platform number. And it is a practical in bus stations, railway stations or any other places where platforms or designated locations are assigned numbers. Let's analyze the components. The word either, which is very familiar you all, means this and refers to the immediate object or location being discussed. The term etram is a question word or ordinal used to ask about the order or position of something, such as which or what number. The number is borrowed from English, specifies the platform's numerical identity. And while platform is also a borrowed one, indicates the area or space used for boarding. Then finally, aana, meaning is, completes the sentence. So this question reflects the typical sentence structure of Malayalam, where the verb comes at the end and it is a simple yet effective way to communicate in a public or formal setting, demonstrating the integration of English vocabulary into Malayalam for ease of understanding in modern usage. Then the second dialogue. ഇത് രണ്ടാം നമ്പർ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ആണ്. Translate to this is platform number 2. It is a straightforward statement used to confirm the specific platform at a station. The word either, that means this, and refers to the platform being discussed. Randam, that is the ordinal number meaning second, used to specify the sequence or position of the platform. Number, we know that it is a borrowed word from English, denotes a numerical identifier, and while platform is also specifies the boarding area. So the verb form aana confirms a statement with politeness. This type of sentence is often used in public transport settings where clear and precise information is crucial. So the incorporation of English loanwords like number and platform showcases the adaptability of Malayalam to modern usage, particularly in context where bilingual communication is common. Then comes the another sentence. ഇത് അഞ്ചാം നമ്പർ ബസ് അല്ലേ? ആരാണ് അഞ്ചാം നമ്പർ ബസ് ഡ്രൈവർ? So which is translated to isn't this bus number 5 and who is the driver of bus number 5? So in the sentence, the traveler is seeking confirmation about the bus number and also inquiring about the identity of the bus driver. The first part either means this, and the phrase ancha number refers to the fifth number or bus number 5, specifying the bus in question. The word bus is a borrowed term from English commonly used in Malayalam. The inclusion of alle serves as a questioning particle similar to isn't it in English, seeking affirmation. So in the second part of the sentence, aarana, that means who is, followed by bus driver, which clearly indicates that the traveler is asking about the identity of the driver of the bus. This sentence reflects the typical conversational structure in Malayalam, where the speaker asks a question for both clarification and information. The usage of English loanwords like number, bus, driver shows other examples of the influence of English in modern Malayalam. Then comes the next sentence, adu Raviyana. That means that is Ravi. This is a simple assertive sentence used to identify a person. In the context of conversation, the bus driver is providing an answer to a question about someone's identity. The word other means that referring to something or someone not near the speaker, either spatially or contextually. Ravi is the name of the person being referred to. And the verb form aanu means is, and it is used to assert that the person in question is indeed Ravi. So this structure is straightforward and is commonly used in Malayalam to confirm or identify individuals. The sentence demonstrates the typical conversational style of Malayalam where information is exchanged concisely and clearly. Then comes the sentence Palakkattukaran Raviyano. That means is Ravi from Palakkad. This question is used by the traveler to inquire about Ravi's origin, specifically whether he is from Palakkad, a town in Kerala. The word Palakkattukaran is a compound word meaning a person from Palakkad, where Palakkad is the place and Karan means persons from. So by this term, the sentence connects Ravi to his place of origin. Ravi is the person being referred to and Ano is a question marker used to inquire about something, meaning is he or is it. This sentence follows a simple structure typical of Malayalam questions where the subject Palakkattukaran Ravi is placed at the beginning followed by the verb and question tag Ano indicating the enquiry. So the use of the question tag Ano adds a layer of seeking confirmation similar to asking isn't it he in English. Then comes another sentence called Ade. അദ്ദേഹം പാലക്കാട്ടുകാരനാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ അനിയനും ഡ്രൈവറാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം 35-ാം നമ്പർ ബസ്സിലെ ഡ്രൈവറാണ്. That translates to is he is from Palakkad, his brother is also a driver, he is a driver of bus number 35. In this exchange, the bus driver confirms that Ravi is from Palakkad, affirming the traveler's earlier query. The question further elaborates by revealing that Ravi's brother is also a bus driver, which adds another layer of information about Ravi's family background. The bus driver then provides more specific information about Ravi's role, stating that he is the driver of bus number 35. Followed by this dialogue, the other sentence comes like that, രണ്ടാം നമ്പർ ബസ് എത്ര മണിക്കാണ്? Translate to what time is the second number bus? In this context, the traveler is asking about the specific time when the second bus will arrive or depart. So the question is straightforward and focuses on gathering important information related to the bus schedule. The structure of the sentence is a typical form of Malayalam where the subject, that means രണ്ടാം number bus, that is second number bus, is followed by the question phrase എത്ര മണിക്കാണ് means what time is. The use of etra meaning what or how much, inquiring about time, shows the traveler's need for clarity regarding the bus arrival or departure time. The sentence രണ്ടാം number bus 7:30 മണിക്കാണ്, that means the second number bus is at 7:30. In this exchange, the bus driver provides a direct answer to the traveler's question about the arrival time of the second bus. The driver informs the traveler that the bus will be at 7:30. Using the specific time 7:30 to indicate 7:30, the sentence is informative with the subject രണ്ടാം number bus followed by the time 7:30, that is 7:30, and the verb മണിക്കാണ്, which means is at, and connects the time to the bus. The next sentence അടുത്ത bus എത്ര മണിക്കാണ്? Translate to what time is the next bus? In this exchange, the traveler is inquiring about the time of the next bus, aiming to gather more specific information regarding the bus schedule. By asking this question, the traveler is trying to find out when the following bus will arrive, which is essential for planning their trip. The sentence is direct and simple, using the word adutta, that means next, indicating that the traveler is asking for the bus that comes after the current one. The question follows a typical conversational pattern where the subject like adutha bus is followed by the question word etra, asking about the time, thus forms adutha bus etra manikkana, followed by that the other sentence, that is adutha bus 7:45 means the next bus is in 7:45. In this response, the bus driver provides a clear and specific answer to the traveler's inquiry about the timing of the next bus. By stating that the next bus will arrive in 7:45, the driver gives the traveler an exact time frame to prepare. So the phrase 7:45 indicates a precise waiting period, helping the traveler guess how much time they have before the bus arrives. The sentence "ee bus-inde number ethrayanu", that is, what is the number of this bus? In this conversation, the traveler is seeking clarification about the specific number of the bus they are on or referring to. This is a common question that passengers ask to ensure they are boarding the correct bus, especially in situations where multiple buses are available. By asking what is the number, the traveler is attempting to confirm the identity of the bus, which is crucial for navigation and planning the journey. So let's see the other sentence. Ada എതിർവശത്തെല്ലാം കടകളാണ്. അതിൽ 83 മുതൽ 94 വരെ ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് കോർപ്പറേഷൻ കടകളാണ്. അവ പലതരം കടകളാണ്. 83-ാമത്തെ കട ഒരു മൊബൈൽ ഷോപ്പാണ്. മൊബൈൽ ഷോപ്പിൻ്റെ വലതുവശത്ത് ഹോട്ടലാണ്. ഇടതുവശത്താണ് മെഡിക്കൽ ഷോപ്പ്, which translate to there on the opposite side are all the shops. Among them, from number 83 to 94 are the Transport Corporation shops. They are of various types. The shop number 83 is a mobile shop. To the right of the mobile shop, there is a hotel, and on the left side, there is a medical shop. So in this sentence, that actually gives a detailed description of shops located on the opposite side of the road, which providing useful information for the traveler. So the structure of the sentence is straightforward, with each clause building on the previous one. So the first sentence, Ada എതിർവശത്തെല്ലാം കടകളാണ്, that introduces location of the shops by stating that all the shops are on the opposite side. The second sentence, അതിൽ 83 മുതൽ 94 വരെ ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് കോർപ്പറേഷൻ കടകളാണ്, narrows down the information by specifying that shops from number 83 to 94 are owned by the Transport Corporation. The phrase "അവ പലതരം കടകളാണ്" that adds that these shops offer a variety of goods or services. The next sentence provides further details, stating that the shop number 83 is a mobile shop. Then the direction of nearby landmarks is described in the subsequent sentences. That is, to the right of the mobile shop there is a hotel, and on the left side there is a medical shop. The structure of these sentences helps create a clear and logical flow of information, guiding the traveler step by step from the general location of the shops to specific details about the type of shops and their surroundings. So the use of right and left helps the traveler visualize the position of these landmarks in the mobile shop. And the sentence structure is informative, directional and detailed, ensuring that the traveler has enough information to navigate the area. Then comes the next sentence. Adana ende bus. That means that is my bus, which is a simple sentence in Malayalam, commonly used in everyday conversation. In this sentence, adana is a combination of other means that and ana meaning is. Together it translates to that is. Ende means my and is used to indicate ownership. Bus is a borrowed word from English. It refers to bus in Malayalam as well. It is typically used in context where someone is identifying or pointing out their bus in a crowded or confusing situation, such as at a bus stop or terminal. Then the other sentence, bus driver, അപ്പോൾ ശരി, പിന്നെ കാണാം. That means alright then, see you later. Which is a sentence reflects a polite and casual farewell often used in Malayalam conversations. It can be analyzed as അപ്പോൾ, that means then or in that case, used to indicate a conclusion or decision. Sheri, that means alright or okay, signifying agreement or acceptance. Pinne means later or afterwards, often used to refer to a future point in time, and Kanam means see you or let's see, indicating a hopeful or casual plan to meet again. So you all see the conversation meaning. You may also find some of the numbers in Malayalam. Now we will discuss about the number system of Malayalam. In Malayalam, the number system from 1 to 100 follows a structured pattern starting from basic digits to complex combinations. The number from 1 to 10 are fundamental and must be memorized first, as they form the foundation for constructing higher numbers. The first 10 numbers are 1, that means 1, 2 means 2, 3 means 3, 4, that is 4, 5, that is 5, 6 means 6, 7 means 7, 8 that is 8, 9 that is 9, and 10 that is 10. The numbers from 11 to 19 are formed by combining the base number with the word 10, such as 11 for 11, 12 for 12, 13 for 13, and so on. The tens or multiples of 10 are respected by adding 10 to base numbers like 20 for 20, 30 for 30, and so on. So numbers from 21 to 99 are constructed by combining the tens with the units. For example, 21 is 21 and 35 is 35. To form the hundreds, the word Noor is used. Understanding the system and practicing its pronunciation and formation will help non-Malayalis master the numbers from 1 to 100 in Malayalam effectively. I know that now you may have only a vague idea of the number system. As it is a lengthy topic, we will see it in a next class. And what you studied in today's lesson? In short, we explored the practical aspects of using Malayalam for everyday interactions in public spaces, particularly in the context of public transport services. The dialogue highlighted essential vocabulary and phrases such as asking for platform numbers, bus schedules, and nearby facilities, which are crucial for effective communication. The lesson also emphasized key elements indicating question formation, ordinal numbers, and sentence, while showcasing how borrowed terms like number, platform, and bus driver have seamlessly integrated into conversational Malayalam. So this integration reflects the dynamic nature of language and its adaptation to modern context. By engaging with the vocabulary and dialogue, learners are equipped with the tools to navigate similar real-life scenarios with confidence. As you practice this conversation, focus on fluency, accuracy, and politeness to enhance your communication skills. This foundational knowledge will not only aid in practical interactions, but also deepen your understanding of structure and nuances of Malayalam language. So thus, today's session concludes here, and we can talk about it further if you have any question regarding anything covered here. So see you all in the next class. Good day. Thank you.